up in there. Look at them up there. Here we go. That's a big bugger. Wow. Oh yes. Oh ho 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 ho. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stop this one. Oh my god. Got one, guys. Gotta be a brimbo here. On top water. Just a cicada. You can probably hear the cicadas in the background here. Oh, and we lost it.
Take a look at this. As soon as the lure hit the water, bang, I was on. Unbelievable.
Okay, we got one. Taken under that tree there. Come out of there. Come out of there. I'm not going to say it's the biggest one, but still good fun under the trees. Oh, he's alright, I guess. That's not too bad. Yeah, but got him up under that tree over there on the cicada. You can hear the cicadas in the background. So definitely about. On the soft shell cicada. That's in the 30s. What do we got there? It's like a 29 forker. You know, and say 32 to the tip. Got him up under those trees, so we'll keep working this area. See ya, buddy. Okay, we got one. Whoa. So we've got about 3 then. Pulled hooks on 2 of them. And now we got this one. So there's heaps up there. We've only just got him. There's another nice fish. I can't get over how many brim are up there at the moment. So it's nearly a fish a cast at the moment. There's another one in the low 30s, I'd imagine. Again, it's probably a 29 forker and about 30 32 or 33 to the tip. But there's heaps in there. I just can't wait. I'm going to throw another one in there. This is how easy it is. When you find them and they're on the bite, it's not that hard to catch them. Anyone can do it. The hard part is finding them. And as you can see, there's shade in those trees there, underneath those trees. And I'm just chucking it straight into the shade. And they've virtually taken it. Oh, if I can get these hooks. Come on. My hooks are all snagged up. And all you got to do is chuck it in on the shade. And you've pretty much got them. Here we go. Ready? Closest to the trees you can. You go going in it. Wasn't the best cast, so I think it still might get me one. There's one at it. Not very big though. The wind's just pushing me in, which is a little bit annoying. We'll chuck another one in there. A little bit further up. Right under that tree there. Got another one in there. There we go, he's at it. Oh no. Ooh. That looks like a half decent one. Chuck another one in there. There's so many in there at the moment. Wow, that one got munched up as soon as it hit the water, eh? I didn't even have time. Absolutely smashed it. It's not very big though. It's only a small one, but that's how easy it is at the moment. There's definitely bigger ones in there. But like I said, it's nearly a fisher cast here. Only a small one. Weedy. Got another, guys. You got another. Ah, we got off. Pull the hooks again. Here we go. We got another. He's come right out, which is good. We have another. I'd say it's that just hitting that 30 centimetre mark, I reckon. But yeah, they're nice and healthy ones. Definitely getting a good feed in there. I I'm hoping I'm getting the bite, but yeah, that's another low 30, I'd say. I'll just so close into the bank, eh? Really. That's a 28 forker, so about 30, 31 tipper. So yeah, we're having fun. Where I got top water bite, and you can't beat that.
And again here, as soon as the lure hits the water, pretty much on. Crazy.
Wow. Wow. He's running out this one. I hope we got a good one here, I hope. So that was so close to the shoreline. He's taking some string, so might have a half decent one here, which is good. Taken right up in there. I've only just pinned him. I've only just pinned him. Stay in, hooks, stay in. Oh, that's a better one. That's sort of like mid to high 30. Wow. How good's that? How good was that? That was unreal. Now we don't want to get trebles in our hand, do we? How good is this fishing? Absolutely unreal. There's the cicada, and there's me fish. That's got to be a mid to high 30s, that one. This is so much fun. And I virtually threw that right up on the bank. And yeah, he was sitting there waiting. That a 32 forker, 35 and a half sort of to the tip. How good is this? We'll get in this sunlight a little bit more if we can. But yeah, unreal fishing, absolutely unreal. You can hear the cicadas. This one's healthy as. It'll swim away. See ya, buddy. Let's get back in there.
Yeah, this one here, threw it into the tree, pulled it out of the tree, as soon as it hit the water, bang. Unbelievable.
Look at them, there's two in there. Wow, oh, wow. Look how many there is in there. Wow. Oh, we got another. Oh, dang, get out of there. No, 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 no. Get him out. Get him out. Oh, he's a brute. He's a brute, I think, this one. An absolute brute. He tried to drag me back in there. What a classic. You gotta love it. I just let that one sit on the water a little bit longer. And yeah, he said that's mine. And we got ourselves another. Yeah, I just let on sit a little bit longer on top of the water. And yeah, grabbed it, and he was running me back into the snags there. So, got away with it. There's another beauty. Maybe 35 tipper. .32 forker and a 35 to the tip. So yeah, happy days. We got another. Oh crap. Oh no. Get out of there. Get out of there. He's doing his best to get in that snag. Get out of there. Woo-hoo-hoo. He's doing his best. Ah, oh, gotta love it. Got to love it. I'm gonna lift this one in. It's a low 30 for sure. Look at that. Wow. He's bent that hook too. He's actually crunched on that back treble hook. Wow. Absolutely crunched it. The way I'm going, I'm going to have to either change the trebles on this lure, just crunch that, or just put a whole new one on. Wow. Oh, look what he's done with that back treble. You probably can't see that, but he's crunched it. Not even going to measure that, but that's another mid 30s. This is absolutely unreal. See you, mate. What just? Oh man, those hooks are terrible. Might just bend that back a bit and see what happens. Bit of maintenance. Oh, we'll see how it goes, eh? Look, I can see him up in there. Look at him up there. What's this? Here we go. That's a big bugger. Wow. Oh yes. Oh ho 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 ho. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stop this one. Oh my god. I hope those hooks hold. Am I on it? Wow. You can see the tail coming out of the water. It was feeding and I just threw this cicada right next to it and it's absolutely smashed it. I've seen him feeding, eh? Oh my god. And we got him. Another mid 30s, I reckon. If not a little bit bigger, maybe 30, 36. Wow. This is unreal. just the visual, you know, that you can see them and you throw it out there and you grab them. Have a look at that. Insane. I seen that one feeding in there. I could see his tail coming out of the water and he was feeding on the bottom. And I threw this cicada in and he just came across and absolutely smashed it. We'll quickly put a measure on it. That's a 33 forker. It's about a 35 tip, so another one in the mid 30s. Insane. Wow. See ya, mate. I cannot believe that one. I could see its tail coming out of the water. And I threw the cicada right next to it and it just seen it and just ran over and absolutely smashed it. These hooks are getting smashed. Straighten them out a little bit. Let's keep going, eh? Take a look at this cicada. 2 hooks missing on there. Look at underneath. Absolutely wrecked. So I'll just change to put a new one on. Or a newish one anyway. Yeah, see if we can get a better hookup rate, eh? Oh, look at this fella. No, don't get in there. Don't get that weed. Unreal, isn't it? We've got another brood here. Probably that mid 30s. How good is this? Unreal, isn't it? Put a quick measure on him. It's a 33 forker. About a 36 to the tip. So, nice fish. Might put the scales on him. See how much this one weighs. Uh, 760, so yeah, 760 grams. It's not too bad. So, wow, what a great day this is. Awesome fish. Alrighty, that's the day over. And what a day it was. Unreal. It's really hard to beat a topwater bite. And today was one of those days where you just, yeah, it was like at one stage there it was nearly a fisher cast. And it's always unreal when they're feeding up in the shallows. You know, you chuck it under the trees and there's shade up there, so there's always a good chance that there's going to be brim feeding up there. And yeah, some of those bites were pretty much as soon as that lure hit the water, they were all over it. So, unreal day. Can't beat it sometimes. Hope you've enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the water again next one. Catch us again later.